Hi everyone! It is Monday today. We watch cartoons on Mondays.
Hooray!
This is the kingdom of present simple. Look at the flags. Repeat. Always. Usually. Often. Every day. On plus days of the week. On Mondays. On Saturdays. 7 friends live in this kingdom. Their names are I, they, we, you, he, she, it. They tell us what happens in the kingdom. I play, they play, it. You play. He, she, it are very little. They need their sister S to help them. He plays. She plays. It plays. Great! Now try with me. I make. You
make.
You make.
They
They make.
They make.
we
We make.
We make.
she
She makes.
he
He
makes.
it.
It makes.
Very good. This sister is naughty. Look. Study, studies. Play, plays. Miss, misses. Watch, watches. Wish, wishes. It even sounds differently. Listen. Races, kisses, changes. Sleeps, hopes, bakes. Plays, wears, sings. Look at the gates. They open if there is a question or a negation. Oh, look, the king. His name is Do. And the queen. Her name is Does. Do you watch cartoons? Do they make toys? Well, now let's try. You play games.
Do you play games?
We play games.
Do we play games?
They play games.
Do they play games?
I play games.
Do I
Do
play
I play
games?
Do you play football, Sue?
I do not play football.
Do they sing songs, Kathy?
They do not sing songs.
Right you are. Does she watch cartoons? Does he make toys? Does it play? Does she watch Well, now let's try. She plays games.
Does she play games?
He plays games.
Does he play games?
It plays games.
Does it play games?
Does she play football, Sue?
She does not play football.
Does he sing songs, Kathy?
He does not sing songs.
Does the cat play with a ball, Meg?
It does not play with a ball.
Right you are. Look once more. I play. Do I play? I do not, don't play. You play. Do you play? You do not, don't play. They play. Do they play? They do not, don't play. We play. Do we play? We do not, don't play. She plays. Does she play? She does not, doesn't play. He plays. Does he play? He does not, doesn't play. It plays. Does it play? It does not, doesn't play. So, this is the end. Let's go and play tennis.